Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about plot cut. The plot cut function can divide one plot into several small plots. The accuracy after cutting is as the same as mapping. Those small plots can be saved and used separately, which can improve our flexibility. Scenario: for large plots, we can divide them into several small plots to achieve multiple drones operating simultaneously with plot share function. For large and regular plots, we can cut them according to the crop types, thereby saving the workload of plot mapping. For large and irregular plots, we can cut them into regular plots to plan routes better and improve our efficiency. Besides, when there are some plots that we don't need to use, we can cut them out instead of mapping a new plot again. Process: tap the plot that needs to do operation and there is a plot cut icon on the right side of the screen. Tap the icon to get into plot cut interface. 2. Pay attention to the cross cursor. Swipe the screen to move it. Move it to the outside of the plot. Type the right icon to add a cutting point. 3. Swipe the screen to move the cursor to the other side of the plot. Type the right icon. When 2 points form a straight line, one plot can be divided into 2 plots. 4. We can repeat the process before to cut the plot several times. Just follow logic that the 2 cutting points should be outside of the plot. 5. Tap the icon above the plot to choose the new plots. Tap Save. Then we can see these new plots in plot list. Notes: 1. Each plot cut needs 2 cutting points. 2. 2 cutting points should be outside of the plot instead of inside, otherwise it cannot be cut. 3. We cannot cut through obstacles inside the plot, otherwise the routes cannot be planned normally. 4. After cutting, we can choose the plots that need to be saved. If we don't choose, all plots will be saved automatically. 5. After cutting, the original plot is still there instead of replacing or deleting. Above is today's lesson. Follow TopXGun channel to learn more plant protection skills.